What's good, y'all? It's your boy Willie Will. It's your boy Willie Will, and I'm back with another mukbang. Hey, it's your boy Willie Will. It's your boy Willie Will, and I'm back with another mukbang. Hey, hey, whew. Y'all. Tonight I'm doing something simple that I put together. I did some barbecue boneless ribs in the oven with some cheesy garlic bread, and that's what we have for tonight, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all, and we're gonna get right into this, y'all. Look at that. Y'all see these ribs though? So good. And they breaking apart. And then we got the cheesy bread over here. Look at this. Look at this. Just coming apart already. Look at that cheese though. But before I get started, y'all make sure y'all go check out my channel. Subscribe to the channel, thumbs this video up, and don't forget to hit that bell notification to be notified. Because you don't want to miss another video that I upload. So, y'all, let's begin. Let's dig into this. I'm gonna let y'all see this. Again, boneless barbecue ribs, y'all, with some cheesy bread. And y'all know I got my water on the side right here. Yes, indeed. So here we go, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all try this. Let y'all get the first bite. Look at that. You bite right into it, I'm gonna fall right apart. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Now you got this cheesy bread. What y'all know about that? Mm. Mm-mm-mm. I'm gonna hold this up. That is so good. Mm. So tender, juicy. It falls right apart. Mm. I should better talk, y'all. Ain't nothing like some good cold water. I'm gonna let y'all get some of the cheese bread. And look, the cheese is even hanging. Mm-mm-mm. So good. Oh, look at that. One of them juices. Mm. So well seasoned. Sorry, y'all. I know. Got my TV on. Mm-mm-mm. I didn't think it was gonna be this good, y'all. Yes, indeed. Mm-mm-mm. Y'all see that? All them juices. Yes. And it comes right apart when I break right into it, y'all. That's how you do. Look at that. Mmm. Wow. I hope y'all eating. And if you are, let me know what y'all eating in the comment section. Let's open this bread. Ooh, look at that, y'all. Boo. Mm-mm-mm. Yes, indeed. This is really good. Mm-mm-mm. Let me give a few shout outs to a couple of people. Angel Love Roberts, You Love China, Nay and the Boys, Arco Vlogs, Blazing, Chef and Shade, Eat with Darn, Mukbang with Lise. I want to thank everybody. If I missed y'all, don't worry, I got y'all in the next video. Or tonight when I go live, y'all. Y'all don't want to miss it. Let me shout out Trish. Mm. This came out so good, y'all. Yes, indeed. When food make you dance, y'all know it's good. Oh, yes, indeed. And all them juices, like, I want to thank y'all for joining me. You guys are always a bomb audience. Please make sure y'all subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that bell notification. Bing! And don't forget to like this video. And don't forget to like this video. Hey, and don't forget to like this video. And don't forget to like this video. Hey. See y'all next time, y'all. Peace.